Hi everyone, it's Jen from Jen Dubell Designs and Country Craft Creations. Today I am going to show you what is in my latest design team package for Country Craft Creations design team. I'm going to show you the basics real quick here first. I got some glitter card from Tonic Craft Perfect in this sherbet lemon. So pretty. Let's take it out of the package, because it's kind of blinding with the cellophane on there, isn't it? So I'm going to pull a sheet out of here if I can get it out. And this is what we have. So pretty. It's like iridescence. All right. I'm going to set that aside. Score tape sheets. These are amazing if you make albums. It's so much simpler to put this down on the album covers. Love them. I do have a Xyron machine I use as well, but these are great. And then we have, not quite sure what these colors are. Are they the new ones? I need to look. I probably should have looked at this before. Yes, this is the Amber Smooth. And move that over. All right, and the pink is going to be strawberry pink. Or does that say strawberry milk? Strawberry milk, sorry. And our blue, which is also amazing looking color with this, is, well, I don't see it on the page. Sorry, guys. I don't think I was completely prepared before I did this video. Sky blue. Okay. All right. So those are the solids that I have. And then, of course, the heavyweight chipboard. Gotta have my chipboard for my album. And this is a great chipboard. Available in 8.5 by 11, 12 by 12, craft, white, and black on the CCC website. And then I've got the Artisan cardstock here, which is natural. It's a 24 pack of natural, regular weight. And now we will get into this collection. And I got Easter Village, which is a new one from Country Craft Creations. Super cute. I am going to pull the 8 by 8 out of the package. We won't pull the 12 by 12 because it is the same. Keep that in mind. It is the same. Now, in the 8 by 8, they're double-sided papers. I'm not sure how many's in here, except for the cover. So you got all these fun cut-aparts. Look at the little Easter bunny. So cute. This is going to be a fun one. So there are 2 sheets of that. And then, of course, you have your cut-aparts. So cute. Look at the little rain boots and a little purse. Oh, my gosh. Oh, and the camera. These are all cute. This is the first time I've seen this collection, if you can't tell. And then we have this cute little bunny. Love it. And on the back, the florals. This is a little bunny with a cart. And on the back, we have that polka dot. So you could use this polka dot also with this paper if you wanted. Very coordinating set here. Love the eggs. So cute. All right. And then we have our little ducks and birdie in the nest. And on the other side, we have this plaid with the pink. And I flipped those the wrong way. Oh my goodness, I'm making a mess over here, guys. I don't know what I was thinking. All right. We already did that one. No, this is a lemonade stand. This is super cute. I love these watercolory effects. Very pretty. This one has like a little town scene in the background, and then this gorgeous blue background that, again, almost seems watercolored. Oh, kitties. I love kitties. I have 3 of them. This is a cute one. We have a little cat here. We have some script. In the back of that is this gorgeous pink plaid. Cute. And then we have this cute little bunny with feathers on the back. And it's the same one, Jen. We have the plaid and the pink with the yellow as some solids here. That's nice to have that coordinating. How cute is this? You put this with this and it matches the curtains. Adorable. Little Easter bunny with his basket. On the back of that, we have this in a yellow. So that is the collection in 8x8. And like I said, I also have it in 12x12 here, but they are the same papers. Put this away after. And then there are these amazing new ephemera pieces that are pre-cut that you can purchase. Let's see what's in here. All right, so we have a cake with eggs. And there's a butterfly. Oh my goodness, look at these cute little chickens. A little jar of almonds, I presume, with ears. A little sugar cookie. You have your eggs. Little duckies. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh, these bows are so adorable. Another egg. Little eggs. Happy Easter. Another little cookie. Have this cute hat. Then we have some bigger versions, a bigger duck, bigger eggs, bigger chickens. Ooh, big bow, super cute. Big egg. Oh, this is cute. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love her. She's adorable. And we have a clock and a wall collage of pictures. And then we have this little jar of flowers. I love how these have a black outline. A lot of us will take our cut-aparts that we fussy cut and then put them on black paper so they stand out. These, most of all of them have that, so that's nice. There's that camera. Another set of pictures. Stack of letters. Cute little bag with flowers. We have a teacup. Cup of tea. Little chickie. And an egg with a chickie. You could cut that apart if you wanted to, too, and use it separately. And then that, and we have our little rain boots. Oh, my goodness, you guys. So adorable. All right. So, I also got some 49 Market watermelon colored ink, which goes great with this collection. Super cute. And the dye ink re-inker. It's always nice to have both of those because if you run out of ink, you just put a couple drops on. This will last a very long time. Plus, if you're someone that likes to add mixed media, you can use your 49 and Market dye ink as watercolor for coloring pages. So the ribbons I got this time, I have this really pretty trim, like a floral trim in a pretty blue. This double-sided, so it's blue on that side, pink on the other. Super cute. And then with the super thin, which I love using these, pink and blue and white striped. And I also got some pink buttons. And last but not least, these gemstones. They're spellbinders. It says Handmade Holidays. Super cute, and they match very, very well. So there are a lot of other colors. I have all of the new ones here, and I just figure we can look and see what else might go. I think there's quite a few. Oh, this one, yes. The something blue and felt would look good with this. Any of the yellows, really. There's a good variation of yellow I'm seeing in this paper, so you could use anywhere from the lemon pie, you could do the vanilla, you could do the amber that I received. I don't know that I would go with the antique gold. That's a little loud. As far as greens, you could do the olive, the Irish green as well, whisper blue, that something blue looks really good with it. Yeah, so that's about that. Let's see what's on the twinkle side here, what we got. I think there's a twinkle. Yes, the twinkle periwinkle. No, that's a little too purple. Forget that I said that. But the twinkle creme brulee would look really good with this, as well as the twinkle honey gold. So anyways, there is some food for thought, as they say. That is my design team package. Make sure you stay tuned to my channel to see what I make, and watch for sneak peeks on the Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations Facebook group. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.